Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. So, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot bonus reading. Bonus reading po. So, bibigyan ko ng bonus reading everybody for November. So, i-check natin what's the blind spot. What is the blind spot of Pisces? Okay. So, blind spot po, ito yung hindi natin nakikita. Meron tayong energy na alam natin na we know that's our personality. Okay? Yung consciously na that's how we show and that's how we think and how we connect with other people. Okay? And also there's this element na what other people know about you pero hindi mo alam. Yeah? Okay? Ito yung first impression na tinatawag. Kasi ibang tao nakikita tayo, but the way they look at us is very biased. Okay? That's one. And there's also the element of energy of nobody knows na it's either coming that it can also impact and affect yung day-to-day decision making. What you need to know. Okay? The blind spot. Check natin. So, November bonus reading. Okay, Pisces. Check natin what you need to know. What you need to know, Pisces. Okay? Pull out lang po ako ng 4 cards. Yeah? So, kung makaresonate, shout out po. Kung hindi ay wag pilitin. Okay? So, kuha po kayo ng kape. Magkape-kape tayo. Shout out ako sa OFW, mga fellow OFW. Yes, if you're new to the channel, OFW din po ako. Tignan natin. So, Pisces, what you need to know. What you need to know, Pisces. Kuha ako ng card. What you need to know, Pisces. What you need to know, Pisces. Okay. Galit na galit si Pisces. Okay. Crossroad. Okay. You're in a crossroad. You're in a stage of wala kang visibility, or you pretending na hindi mo alam, or talagang wala kang visibility sa situation. Yeah? Kasi kaya ka nasa crossroad, you are weighing something. Nag-iisip ka kung pupunta ka sa kanan o sa kaliwa, kung anong kulay ng damit na isusuot mo. Ngayon, hindi ka makapag-decision because may impact yung decision na yun. And that's what becomes a deadlock to you. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Pisces. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin what's your blind spot. How other people see you. Okay? How other people, ano ang pagkakatingin at pagkakakilala nila sa iyo, how they see you. Okay, as simple as that. Oops. Okay, ayaw nitong card na ito. Nandito tayo. Okay, Pisces. Pisces. What do you need to know? Ano ang pagkakakilala nila sa'yo? Okay? Alam nila na ikaw ay taong matulungin, ikaw ay career-oriented, na ikaw ay balance, nurturing, walang problema, height of your career, masaya ang pamilya, maganda ang damit, alam nila na masarap ang kinakain mo, na nakatira ka sa magandang bahay. Okay, again, yung definition yan. Okay, comfortable. Okay? Yeah? Pero, deep inside, actually, hindi nila alam, this is something na you don't want them to know that you are intuitive, close to a spiritual person. Yeah? Aside from the successes, kung ano man yung na-achieve mo, you are also helpful. Malakas yung intuition. You can connect to people even without talking to them. Alam mo yung mga masasamang balak ng mga tao. Okay? Na yeah, you can read their minds, okay? Yung intention nila, okay? Pero hindi mo pinapakita. Hindi, you don't even acknowledge it na, itong tao na ito ay manloloko, gagamitin lang ako nito magtapos ko matulungan. Yeah? Because they see you as somebody na superwoman, superman, who is successful and happy with their relationship and everything. Yeah? Nasa stage 3 ka na ng in terms of your career. Na-promote ka na, you're driving a nice car. Kung hindi man, nakatira ka sa magandang condominium, yeah, maganda ang gamit mo, okay? Yung mga office mate mo, they're happy, well, they admire you, okay? But deep inside, well, hindi nila alam na you also have that sensibility. You are a very sensitive person. You empathize. You can also do that kind of thing. Na hindi ka lang successful, but also deep inside, not only beautiful outside, but also beautiful inside. Okay? Blind spot. Okay? Hindi ka makakawala sa nakaraan. And mostly yung decision mo, hindi mo nare-realize na because yung naging dahilan mo ng whatever makes you successful and also whatever makes you sensitive, okay, it's all because unconsciously or subconsciously may impact yung nakaraan mo. Yeah? Whatever kung ano yung nakaraan na yan, na you are dragging it at your head na hindi mo alam na you are going back to the same situation kung ano man yung nakaraan mo. Yeah? Yung how your family, how your spouse, or yung mga friends, or yung eskwelahan na pinanggalingan mo, yung community, there's an impact on how you process your thoughts, how you do a decision, how you may influence kung bakit ka naging successful at this stage, kung bakit naging kung ano yung narating mo ngayon na situation, okay? You didn't notice or you do not know na it is coming from the past. Yes, okay? And it has a huge impact on how you live and how you deal with your community, or how you live and deal with your friends or your present spouse, okay? Past, okay? Nakatatak na sa ulo mo, naka-wired up. Okay? Whatever that happened in the past, hindi ko na tatanong. I'm not gonna add something. Okay? Good or bad. Yes? It's either you want to escape from that. That's why you tried so hard to be successful. Okay? You want to relive the past. So that's why you are very sensitive to other people kasi maaring what? Ano ba yung nangyari? Positive or negative? Na merong either one of those. Meron tayong ganyan. Yung nakaraan natin is how we define ourselves. Hindi mo ina-acknowledge yun. Hindi mo ina-acknowledge. Okay? Yung nakaraan mo na is part of your DNA now. Yun ang definition mo. But hindi mo alam. Yes? Okay? Kung yung mga past mo is a negative, you're also bringing that to the present situation mo now. But despite that, your successes hindi naging problema. Okay? Because you also work hard. People see you as that successful and strong woman. But they didn't realize that you're hiding something in the past. And you don't know it as well. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan, Pisces? Pisces being a water sign, fellow, ano yan, water sign, like me, Scorpio, okay? Um, you, on your headspace, okay? I think, you kill that emotion, okay? It's not that you cannot make a decision, pero ina-isolate mo yung head at saka against the heart. Okay. You are attuned to your, yes, okay, higher purpose. That's your escape. Okay? Yung fundamentals ng spiritual realm, okay? Yung ating paniniwala, yung iyong paniniwala, okay? Yes, is also huge effect on you. Influence, I think. Influence, okay? Yung mga ritual, yung mga feng shui, you're doing a lot of those. Yes? Okay? Na unconsciously, you're doing that because you want to get away from that past na hindi mo alam. This is something na tinatakasan mo. Okay? But deep inside, on your outer circle, they don't even know that. The people just think of you as somebody na very smart, very competent, very successful, very nurturing, dependable, okay? But there's mystery that happened in the past na kinakalimutan mo, ayaw mo nang maalala, but that's what you are still doing presently, okay? And you're on the crossroad because gusto mo umalis na doon and you are keeping yourself blindfolded. You don't want to. You don't want to. You're using the escape of your okay, ano naman ako mapadasalin, those kind of things. But it's a facade. It's an illusion. You can see, okay? The high priestess is somebody who have that intuition. Now, it's a facade at your situation na you have achieved that how do you say that, yung yung level of spiritual or metaphysical or anything related to spiritual, okay? Yung set of beliefs, okay? You are using it as a shield for you to it's either not to be hurt because of the past or not to have that yung awa from the people surrounding you. So ang ginagawa mo, ang pinapakita mo is you are somebody who is strong, but they didn't know that there is something more secretive on behind that mask of yours. Yeah? Meron ba ganyan, Pisces? Okay? So that's your blind spot. Your blind spot is your past here that you're trying to cover up. Create the illusion. Pero hindi mo alam na bumabalik ka doon. Bumabalik ka doon. Okay? Yeah. Meron bang ganyan, Pisces? So, bonus reading for November 2025. I just want to look at the blind spot of ng mga zodiac, what they need to know. Okay? So, this is something na it's either unconsciously or subconsciously, we know na it's playing. But, hindi mo alam. Okay? Because some people surrounding you, they see you as different. In that facade, everybody, meron tayong shield, meron tayong pinapakita lang, but not all. And with that energy dynamics, there is unconsciously or subconsciously we have the blind spot. Why are we behaving that way? Why are we deciding that way? Yeah. So it will be helpful kung ano yung situation natin. How can we avoid that type of um, yung imprisonment. Okay, that's imprisonment. That's why your eyes is closed. That's why you cannot make a decision. Yeah. Meron ba ganyang Pisces? Bonus reading for November 2025. Kung naka-resonate po, shout out po. Kung hindi ay sa susunod na reading, huwag pong pilitin. So last message for Pisces. Okay, Moon Oracle. Moon Oracle. Tingnan natin. Okay, Moon Oracle. So that's your blind spot. I think I'm gonna do this at least once a month. Magra-random reading po ako. Gawin kong bonus reading for everybody aside from the regular weekly or bi-weekly na reading. So yeah. So tingnan natin. Pisces, last message. Okay. Last message kay Pisces bago maubos yung insenso ko. Okay. So the incense is about to finish. So i-send natin sa universe. Yeah. Lahat po tayo meron tayong blind spot. And sometimes it's helpful to understand yung awareness. Okay, awakening. Okay, I found the word. Okay. Awakening. That's also yun ang what you need as well. Okay. Pisces. One more moon card. One more moon card. Oracle. So, last message to Pisces. Mas gusto ko pong ibibigay nung card yung yung message. Oh, nagagalit na ha. Okay. Okay, dalawa. Okay, tatlo. Kunin natin. Okay. Tatlo. Ay, apat. Oh, bigay natin. Okay. This is a heavy one. Okay, Sagittarius moon, sabi. Okay. Be prepared to be adaptable and plans you have laid may take an unexpected course. Yeah? Naka-resonate ba? Okay. The influence of what you're showing and how other people perceive you. Okay? So you need to cross that line. Okay? Maybe show the other side of you. Okay? Be prepared to be adaptable as plans. Okay? You have laid may take an unexpected course. It's part of the change na tinatawag. Okay? So, yun ang sabi ng Sagittarius na kaibigan mo. Okay, Taurus. May kaibigan ka bang Taurus? Now is a time for focusing on finances and practical matters. Yeah? Yung practical matters, being perceived na you are solid and happy and healthy, yung ganyan, it can cause you strain. Okay? Ito yung superficial. Because I'm not saying na hindi ka successful or what, okay? But, sometimes, if you want to live to the measuring stick noong ibang tao, minsan doon tayo nagkakaroon ng stresses. So that's why you keep on naka-blindfold ka. It's also a crossroad. Gagawin ko ba to? Baka mabuko ako. You know? Those kind of things. Taurus is a practical sign. Okay? So another water sign, Pisces. Okay? Cancer. Kaibigan nating Cancer. Spend time with family or helping others. Avoid situation that can be a drain on your emotion. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan? This one is a crossroad. It can be very drainful. Nakaka-exhaust yan. Exhausted. Okay, last one. It is an auspicious time for new beginning. Yeah? If new beginning is not about new big thing, new house or something, so I think the new beginning here is, when I say na superficial, um, what is practical to you? How do you define that? Or how important it is yung experience mo in when you're way back in the past, na you need to cut it because it can make more harm than good sometimes. Okay, I'm not saying na yung past natin, yung yung something na we feel na it's not working, it's not on our favor, we can change that. Yeah. So Pisces. So, bonus reading. So, November 2025. So, kung naka-resonate, salamat po. Shout out sa mga OFW. Kung hindi po, huwag pilitin sa next reading po. Salamat po.